Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through the step-by-step process of creating and managing surveys in AIQ. You'll learn how to set up survey details, add questions, customize the design, and share your surveys to gather customer insight. By the end, you'll be ready to use surveys to improve engagement and make data-driven decisions. Let's get started. Navigate to Customers on the left-hand navigation. Next, select Surveys and then click the purple plus button to create a new survey. The first step is to set up the basic survey details and questions. Enter an internal survey name and description for your reference. Set the start and end date to define when the survey will be active. And choose the store locations that will have access to the survey. Now, let's add your questions. Click Add Question and either create a new question or select one from a previous survey. Enter your question in the label text field and select a question type, such as multiple choice, open text, or rating. You can preview the question in Form Field Preview. Here are some key considerations for response preferences. Campaign surveys automatically link responses to personas without needing contact information. Non-campaign surveys require an email or phone number to match responses to a profile. And anonymous responses are only stored if sent via a campaign with contact details. Now let's give your survey some personality. Decide if it will apply to all locations or just a specific one. Add engaging content with a compelling header, an optional subheader to explain the survey's purpose, and a consent text box to align with legal or marketing requirements. You can also enable a thank you pop-up to confirm submissions and guide users on their next steps. Time to make your survey look great. Add a header and upload small and full-size logos. Optionally, you can upload a cover photo as well. Choose a background color or image, then adjust text and field styles to match your brand. You can also customize the sign-up button to fit your design. Finally, set a redirect URL to guide users after sign-up, ensuring a smooth transition to the next step. Now let's explore how to make your survey even more effective with pop-up settings. To start, turn on the pop-up setting to display your survey form as a pop-up. Make sure the tracking pixel is installed for it to function properly. For more information on setting up the tracking pixel, refer to the tracking pixel documentation. Next, decide when the pop-up appears by setting a display trigger. You can choose from the following. Page load to show it immediately when the page opens. On click to trigger it after user interaction. On scroll to display it after a user scrolls a set distance. And on exit to appear when the user is about to leave the page. Improve the user experience by adjusting display frequency settings. Prevent pop-ups for users who've already signed up and set a delay before showing dismissed pop-ups. 1 to 2 days for urgent campaigns and 3 to 7 for general use. Lastly, use targeting to control where your pop-up appears. Set include rules for pages where it should show and exclude rules to prevent it from appearing. If an include rule applies, the pop-up will display unless blocked by an exclude rule. Once your survey is ready, it's time to share it with your customers. Save the survey to finalize your settings. Open the More Options menu and select Share Survey. Here, you can decide whether the survey should be tied to all stores or to a specific store. Next, if you'd like to embed the survey directly on your website, copy the embed code provided and paste it into the page where you want the survey to appear. To enable the survey as a pop-up, copy the tracking pixel code and paste it into your website's header. This ensures the pop-up functionality works smoothly. For more details, check the tracking pixel documentation. If you need a QR code, download it for in-store signage or printed materials. Finally, if you need store-specific links, click the Download CSV button to access a list of tailored URLs. Creating surveys in AIQ is simple and efficient. Set up your survey details, then customize the content to fit your needs. Design it to match your brand for a seamless look and feel, and share it effortlessly via links, QR codes, or targeted campaigns. With these steps, you're ready to gather insights and boost engagement. If you have any questions, please contact your AIQ representative or customer support via live chat. Thank you for watching.